Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. Today I want to talk to you about volume and dynamics. There's a whole section on Accordion Love relating to how to control the sound of your accordion, but today I wanted to talk specifically about volume control. This is the September 2022 monthly challenge, and we control the volume of the accordion through the bellow control. If I don't touch the bellows and I press a key, this is what it sounds like. The dynamics are flat. There's a consistent sound, but it's not loud or soft. As soon as I start pushing and pulling on the bellows, you'll see an increase in sound or a decrease in sound. So I can control the sound by just going like this. Right, that's just by pushing or pulling on the bellows. Same thing with the left hand. I could have it steady, or by increasing and decreasing the tension in the bellows, I can make it loud to soft. Loud, and all I'm doing is pulling or pushing harder. Now, that's fairly easy to do. Where it becomes more difficult with the accordion is when we put hands together. Usually for a beginner player this is difficult because we have 7 or 8 things in our mind and we're trying to control the right notes, and it usually comes out like this, which isn't very musical. Again, everything seems emphasized and disjointed. So your monthly challenge for September 2022 is what I want to see you do is try and play a dynamic, some sort of volume control. It could be increasing, it could be decreasing, or it could be from loud to quiet to loud, or usually in music we go from pianissimo to fortissimo, from quiet to loud, and then from loud to quiet. So let me show you what that sounds like. And what I'd like to see you do is just try and do it. So I'll play Forest Flowers, right hand, from quiet to loud. Right to da 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 da. That's what I'd like to see you do. Maybe even just your left hand from quiet to loud. To da 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 da. Louder. Da 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 da. Quieter. Ba da 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 da. Ba da 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 da. Right, almost like a wave. It swells and then it comes away. And then, if you can, to do hands together. It can be slow. Try and go from pianissimo to fortissimo, from piano to forte to loud. Right, or it could be a bit louder. That's one of the tools that we have in terms of accordion dynamics. Obviously, we have tempo. We could slow it down. We can include multiple fingers. But in this monthly challenge, I just want to see you incorporate your right hand and your left hand in volume control. If that's too much, I just want to see it in one hand. Too quiet. Again, the Accordion Love Monthly Challenge happens every month. It's open to Accordion Love members. Enter 6 times in a year and I'll send you an Accordion Love t-shirt that's exclusive to 4 members. Enter 12 times in 12 months. Don't miss a month and I'll send you an Accordion Love prize pack. Let me know if you have any questions. Check out the Accordion Love lesson section about volume dynamics if you need more help. Thank you.